Hi, this is Tim Goff of Tim's Computer Repairs in Kokomo, Indiana. Today I'm coming at you with yet another computer service job. This time I am working on an HP NV700 PC series. It's an older model laptop desktop, and this job had a bad hard drive. So I had to get the client to buy a new hard drive, and I have Windows installed and activated. I am now just working on the Windows updates, and once the Windows updates are done, this job will be complete. And yeah, as you can tell, there's a few retries on there. That's due to the feature update of Windows 10 version 20H2 installing, because I installed it from a disk, so it's got a few updates to get done. So now the job's basically clicking check for updates until all updates are done. But other than that, it is a successful computer job. Thank you for bringing your computer to Tim of Tim's Computer Repairs for your computer service needs, and I hope you enjoy. I am out until the next repair job.